Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool version of Orochimaru from Naruto for Among Us. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in the top of the head first. So we just draw in pretty much a half circle. And then from here, we're going to come down. We're actually going to draw the hair first. Now we just come back up. Now this is gonna be kind of face off to the side here. So come to the middle of this and then come over slightly. You can make a little point. This is where the hair is gonna be parting. So from this point, I'm gonna curve this way and then come back up. So this will be one strand. So just give it a slight curve like this. Let's draw one more. It's got really cool looking hair. And then this one we'll just connect to this. Okay, and then now for the other side. That's one strand, and then again we can, let's see, if we can come down, or you can just connect to that, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Okay, and we can add in some lines here. To make it look like hair. Alright, so now that we have the hair, let's come down and draw in the body. So we're going to continue with this line here. Let's go down a little bit more. And then come across here, this will be the bottom. Bottom of the body, I mean. And then the leg, just come down. Curve back up here. Okay, so same thing here. So we draw many of these shapes before because it's the same for all the Among Us characters. Alright, and then let's see the backpack. Just one bump on the back here. Alright, and then now for the visor area, it's gonna be right around here. So let's see if we can get the middle of this space right here, and I'm just gonna draw one line, kind of going up slightly, and then let's curve up. Now this is gonna be behind the hair, so we just go across, then whatever space here, just round it out, so just one kind of like a smoothed out rectangle. Okay, so that's the visor, and then now let's try the mouth. It's got a really cool mouth right here. Just come down. Draw like a little happy face first. On the side, just bracket. Come across. And then we can add a little bit more detail in the lower lip. And let's see, for the teeth we can just add in one line across. That makes it look like he's grinning. Alright, so that is it for this Orochimaru for Among Us. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.